Welcome to Pyeongchon! The coolest chicken place in Korea! Let's go! Our chicken! The famous Pyeongchon chicken, guys.
Apply the sauce.
Ooh, pinakamalaking tteokbokki na nakita ko sa buhay ko, as in. Yung restaurant, it's very aesthetic. Para siyang museum, guys. Ganitong feels. The ambient sound, it's giving high class and art. Charing. First bite of Pyeongchon chicken. Parang dumudulas yung manok sa bibig. Microphone para dinig yung lutong. Wah! Oh! Debak.
Again?
Hello guys! Annyeonghaseyo! Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. Finally guys, we're in Seoul, South Korea! So this is a 10-day trip with Korea Tourism Organization kasamang ating mga beshies from different countries. And nandito tayo sa Pyeongchon. Pyeongchon chicken. So our friends told us this is the best chicken in town, right? Whoa!
Pyeongchon is super good.
It's my first time here.
Funny
Premium chicken. Sabi ni Ayim, ito yung coolest Pyeongchon na nakita niya. Dahil favorite natin ang Korean fried chicken, I cannot wait to experience this one.
Oh, wait. Your phone died.
Brush.
It died.
It died. It just died. It just died. Oh. Next. Oh. Guys, we just entered. Now we're confused. How do we get in?
No. I
Oh.
want to figure out
Oh.
myself.
You cannot open it. So there's one here.
Oh.
Come in.
Yes.
Have a video
Yes.
from outside here. Yeah. Okay, go outside.
Oh.
I can.
Okay. Open. Yeah, you cannot open. I will open door. Okay.
Alright. Okay.
Try.
Go.
Thank you. Wow. Sure. Wow. Wow. Cool. So ito yung pinto, guys. So kanina nakita nyo naman, pinabuksan tayo ni Jade ng pinto kasi hindi siya carry buksan from the outside. Alright? So dapat from inside yung bukas. So someone should be able. No, we can push this. I think I can push this. Pero it's difficult to open, I think, kung galing sa labas. But yeah, it's nice. Charan! I think I can just push this. Wait. Ano tayo? Isa pa. Yeah. I can just push this. So, okay lang naman. Tinay ko talaga, okay lang kahit walang magbubukas sa inyo from the inside. But look! Explore muna natin itong papasok ng Pyeongchon tteokbokki. Oops! Shucks, nagbukas siya. I'm so sorry. So, yung 14,000 won ay nasa 600 pesos yan. Yung 11, nasa 478. So, ito, grilled tteokbokki, yung nasa 600 plus. Tapos, itong wing plate, 10 pieces, okay na siguro yan. 400 pesos, no? And this is premium chicken. Tapos, meron pa sila ibang pagkain dito. Ito siguro for sharing na to. Pyeongchon corn chicken of Pilbang. 20,000. So, yung 20,000, it's around 800 pesos. Pilbang signature. Or ito yung bestseller nila. 43,000. Search natin yan. 43,000. It's 1,869 pesos. Yes. Ito may converter tayo.
It's not that expensive.
Yeah. And I think this for sharing, it's a platter. Kanina pa ako nag-iisip kung ano yung meaning ng mga brushes na to. Ito. This one. May mga brush dito kasi again, it's known for how it meticulously brushes the sauces onto their dishes. Buksan natin. Oh, appetizers. Tempura. Tapos ito, potato. And ito, mga fries. Tapos chips. Then popcorn as starter. So while waiting, pwede nating tingnan yung restaurant. It's very aesthetic. Para siyang museum, guys. Ganitong feels dito sa restaurant. It's very museum. Yung details, tsareng. Yung details. Cinnamon, garlic, siling labuyo, and then, ano yan? Let's go to the toilet and let's check. Wow. Pati toilet ang aesthetic. Grabe. Ayan lang. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa yung toilet. Sa mga itong restaurant, aesthetic din talaga yung mga CR. Pinakamalaking tokbokin nakita ko sa buhay ko as in. So really nice here, tayo lang. So it's as if we rented this place. The ambient sound, it's giving high class and art. Charing. Hindi ko pwede mag-party dito. Ganun yung vibe niya. It's like a party place. Like after mag-dinner, pwede siyang mag-transform into a... I'm so sorry. Uri ayu, kamsamnida. Oh, 죄송해요. Okay. You can film yourself there. Wow. Taray naman ang brush na to. Very highlighted. No? Shot lang ng place. Oh, kita natin binabrushan talaga yung binabrushan yung pagkain. What's in here? Oh, this is just the other side with water. Oh. Kamsamnida. Meron silang mga merch. Look. Yochon. Tari naman talaga ng DJI. Ang seamless, Chareng. Seamless. Ah, yeah. Video? Sure, no worries. Sure.
Yeah, you can follow me.
I will walk and follow you?
Yeah.
Okay. A little bit. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to our chicken. The famous Kyochon chicken, guys. With the sauce. So we can brush the chicken. Okay.
저희 4가지 맛 chicken 드릴 수 있는 kind of flavor.
Four different kinds of flavor.
발라주시면 돼요. Yeah, you use a brush to dipping the sauce.
From the left are garlic soy sauce, red honey. And this is honey and corn chicken already sauce. So you can use only just plain chicken for sauce.
It's gonna show you how to. Yeah. Pick up one chicken. Here. Apply the sauce.
Oh, kaya pala daming brush kasi binabrush siya.
Okay.
Thank you. Honey sauce, red sauce, and garlic sauce. So, kaya siya famous dahil binabrush, guys, yung sauce sa chicken, okay? Of course, mga creators yung kasama natin dito. Kaya picture muna. part to ng activity picture. Diana, our model for this lunch.
Red sauce, honey sauce, for sure.
We have honey sauce, red sauce, and garlic sauce.
Perfect.
So you got the honey sauce. Kain tayo guys. It's our first bite of Gyeocheon chicken. Mashisayo, parang dumudulas yung manok sa bibig. When they say premium, it's true. It's so delicious. So it's very unique. We have this. Not all fingers are covered. Just 3. Look, just 3 fingers are covered. Hindi ako food vlogger guys ha. Sineshare ko lang sa yung experience ko sa pagkain dito.
Do you eat the rice?
Yeah. Rice and also this is kimchi sauce.
Kumuha tayo dun ng potato wedges. Ang crispy. Gumamit ako guys ng microphone para dinig yung lutong. Wah! They're enjoying it. May rice din dito guys. And tteokbokki. Try natin yan mamaya. Closer view ng ating manok. Jade, what does Gyeocheon mean?
Village.
Village name. Gyeocheon is a village name.
I think this one is not from Korea, right?
Bonchon?
Yeah, Bonchon.
We have it a lot in the Philippines, Bonchon. Merong lagayan ng trash. Ito medyo spicy, but delish. But not super spicy. Pero may ibang tao na hindi talaga kere-ket, mild spicy lang. Tulad ng kasama natin dito. Na sakto lang pero super mangyak-yak na siya. Try naman natin yung malaking tteokbokki. The taste of Korean. Spicy.
Nobody eat green veggies.
I'll try the veggies. Kasi wala daw kumakain. Tayo na. Para healthy. Sarap din yung rice na may itlog. I'm taking a video of you doing the brush. So that's why they have brushes around because they brush their chicken.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, debak.
Again?
Opa!
So many sauce.
Kasaba crisp. The seasoning, yung flavor niya. I love it.
Can I have this picture?
This is very Filipino. We leave one piece. Yeah, because everybody's shy, someone leaves a piece.
Yours.
Okay, I'll eat that. Eating the last piece. It's raining. Yeah. Ay, sorry. We're waiting for the umbrella.
Okay.
Okay, it's raining. So that's our experience in Gyeocheon. Voted as the #1 chicken in Korea. That was quick because imimit namin ang KTO here in Seoul. So kailangan natin magmadali. It's here? It's the driver. We will be fetched here, I think.
Where? Okay. Me.
Ayun. Inulan talaga tayo guys. Lagi talaga tayong busog sa trip na ito. So thank you so much KTO.
Hey, Dad.
Annyeong! Last day! Oljima? Oljima, sulpoyo. Alright. Okay, let's go. Ito na talaga.
Okay. 갑시다.
Kapshira!
오빠,
오빠! 동생은? 동생아. 오케이. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Okay. Let's go. Woo. Let's go, KTO. So, oops. This is Dave, guys, the Puripo Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Alright, KTO.